Hi everyone, Thao here. Look what I got today. Guess what color I got? Bam! I went with the Aura Glow. We got the Whitestone Dome tempered glass screen protector in the house, and this is quickly becoming an essential for any new phone I get. Coming in around $45, yeah, this thing is pricey. Now, I've tested cheaper alternatives in the past, and while they do work, I found they just aren't as user-friendly. The Note 10s do come with pre-installed plastic screen protectors that are probably good enough for most people. The thing is, I've shattered my phone screen in the past, and since then, have always gone with glass screen protectors. I just can't be bothered with the hassle and cost of replacing a screen. I like to think that I'm pretty good at installing the dome glass, as it is on both my Pixel 3 and Note 9. Glancing over the instructions, it looks like Whitestone has made a slight change to the installation method. So let's see what's new. Anyways, let's install this thing and we'll talk later. Definitely stick around to the end as I'll be talking about how well the dome glass held up long term on both my Pixel 3 and Note 9. Okay, so first thing you want to do is clean your phone using the alcohol wipe, then dry it off using the microfiber cloth. Now, carefully place your device securely into the bottom alignment tray. With the dust removal sticker, remove any dust that may still be on your phone. Once done, grab the speaker masking tape and stick that directly over the speaker of your phone. Make sure you don't place it too low. Alright, pick up the top tray and insert the removable black tab into the slot near the top. Make sure the foam pads are pre-installed on the sides. Next, take the black bridge and position it over the tray. Open the color-ended cap of the adhesive tube and place it over the bridge. Now once it's in place, remove the cap on the other end to release the liquid adhesive. Wait about 30 seconds for all the glue to pour out, then you can remove the bridge. Okay, so grab the screen protector and gently peel off the film. Then starting at the bottom of the tray, rest it on top of the black tab like so. Be very careful not to tilt the tray. Here's the new step I mentioned earlier. They now provide you with a guide card. Flip it to the smooth side and attach the suction cup above the circle, opposite from the grooves. Insert the end with the grooves into the bottom of the tray and gently rest it over the glass. Once again, be careful not to move anything. This is the most important part, no pressure. Now you want to carefully press down on the bottom portion of the tray to allow the glue to slide down towards the circle. Pull away the black tab and let go of the tray at the same time to allow the protector to drop down onto the phone. Give it around 2 minutes for the glue to spread. Next step is the curing process. Grab the UV light and cure 15 seconds at the top, then 15 seconds at the bottom. Remove the speaker masking tape and with the alcohol wipes, wipe off any adhesive or residue around your phone screen. Okay, now you want to do it one more time, but this time around you want to do it for 60 seconds on the top and 60 seconds at the bottom. Now you're all done. Okay, so that was kind of a stressful event. I kind of screwed up by placing the masking tape a little too low that it kind of sat a little underneath the tempered glass, which caused these air bubbles up at the top here. Anyways, it is what it is. I just want to share that with you guys so that you don't make the same mistake. I actually like the addition of the guide card. I found it very helpful because in the past, they left it up to you to decide what the middle meant, which I'm sure they realized led to a lot of errors. Alright, the most important thing, Does the fingerprint scanner work properly? The box does tell you to re-register your fingerprint after installation. So I'll just go ahead and do that real quick. My initial impressions. It works, thank goodness. But let me go ahead and try it a few more times just to make sure. Alright, fully functional and everything works good. Ringke spoiled me with a bunch of cases, so I'm going to go ahead and try them all on to test if the Whitestone Dome is, if at all, case friendly. Like I mentioned earlier, I have the Whitestone Dome Glass screen protector on both my Pixel 3 and Note 9. I've had it on my Note 9 for about a year, and I think around 9 to 10 months on the Pixel 3. I'm actually very pleased with how well it's held up on my Note 9. No major cracks or anything, which is great, but there is this tiny little chip here on the left side. The edges of the protector still tends to collect dust, and when it gets bad, I'll just wipe it down with a damp cloth. The other thing I noticed recently is that the oleophobic coating they use to prevent fingerprints and oils from showing seems to have worn out right where my thumb frequently swipes. So I find myself wiping the phone down a lot more. My Pixel 3, on the other hand, is showing a little more wear and tear. It is my personal phone, so I am a little more careless with it when I'm out and about, so it ends up getting tossed a lot into my purse. There's a few deeper scratches right here, and also at the bottom from rubbing against things in my purse. I've also dropped it a couple of times, and on one occasion, it must have landed on a pebble because it chipped the corner off and led to this weird air bubble too. At the end of the day, it did what it's supposed to and protected the original screen, so I'm a happy camper. Hopefully this answers any questions you may have had about the Whitestone Dome screen protector. Until the next one, bye for now!